Study of Life, a pre-med science course. From the literal description of biology, it means life and nothing else more. Numbers has no life, neither has a triangle or a quadrant plane. For me, as a pre-med student, I don't see the significance of putting up complicated mathematical subjects on our curriculum. Because in the future, when we're already doctors, it will only be put aside. It has no relation in explaining the condition of our patients. Mathematics is calculating numbers, solving equations, finding the angle, and proving trigonometric identities. Diseases have nothing to do with algebra. Operating the patient's body has nothing to do with x over y. Furthermore, checking the vital signs of the patient has nothing to do with trigonometry. Science is more based on facts, while mathematics is more on numbers. The only time that facts and numbers can fully merge is by the use of statistics, which is of course not a science. Though, there are a few importance of mathematics in our study, which are, we should know how to calculate the medicine intake of the patient, know the statistical ratio of people undergone from the same diseases as theirs. Pre-med students should focus more on science-inclined subjects that can be used always as a tool in our future job. Some simple addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division are already enough. No need for complicated mathematics. In my own point of view, trigonometry, geometry, algebra should be removed in the pre-med curriculum. Simply because pre-med students should be engaging their time more on the subjects they needed, not only time but money that they're paying. The lesser the insignificant subjects that they're taking, the earlier the students can finish their course, and the lesser the money that they will spend. And for what I know, majority of science majors doesn't like mathematics as well. So really, what is the point of having these kinds of subjects? Are they really required in medicine? Or we just need this kind of subjects to enhance our thinking and analytical skills? I have my own views. Now, what do you think? Should mathematics be included in our curriculum or not? Thank you.